Hi everyone, welcome back. Lastly, we finished about this object detection module. Today we are gonna start a new module, which is 2D features framework. Actually, this is a very important module because it's also used widely in the computer vision image processing areas. So this is a very important module. Also, it's really comprehensive. Maybe it can take little time to finish this module. And the first one, we are gonna start with feature detection and description. And in here actually this feature 2D is the base class of the other classes. Most of them is derived from feature 2D. At the end maybe we can check this feature 2D detail, but for specifically, for example, we at this we are gonna need this detect function. Where is that? Okay, this one, to be able to try others. So we are gonna focus detect function today. And also I'm gonna start with simple blob detector. Also this is easy to understand about what this module actually looks like. So today we are gonna start simply this simple blob detector. The most important part of this class is about the parameters, and today we are gonna simply just look at this class to initialize this one. Also we are gonna simply detect some blobs. In here I already got two images which has blobs. For example, this small group of pixels, black pixels, we are naming as blobs. Also similarly here. So blobs, basically the meaning is group of the pixels which has the same property. For example, you are defining some properties about size or about the other characteristics of each this group. So according to that, this simple blob detector is finding those and giving you as output. Okay, basically these are the blobs. And in here maybe we can directly switch to the code part and check in there. First of all, we are gonna make a simple example to detect with the default parameters, detect these blobs. And for that we need those images. First of all, just calling image is equal to cv imread, and here we just need to call, for example, this one. Okay, and after that the next thing, we need to initialize our blob detector class, which is gonna be the simple blob detector, and this is gonna be my blob detector, or just call it detector, and is equal to just cv simple blob detector create. Okay, yeah, as I said, there are some detailed parameters which is in here. We can check. Oops, yeah, these parameters we need to define to be able to specifically, according to our purpose, we need to check them, we need to define them, so it's gonna give us the output as needed. So but for this parameter we are gonna talk detailed in the next video. For this video we just gonna use the default ones, and the next is we just need to create the key points, which is we are gonna hear much in this feature 2D module, which is gonna be related to the points at the end. It's gonna give us, we are calling that as key point, and we can call it key points. And after that, basically we can just call our detector by just detector. Okay, that's detect, which is gonna be this one. Also, if we go here, this is the function of the feature 2D class, as you can see here, but we are gonna see much some function in those class, because most of them is derived from feature 2D. So just keep in mind, most of them derived from here, so we are gonna use some functions in here always. The most we are gonna check this detect function, which is needed images or image, and the key points. So it's gonna take the image and it's gonna give you the key points as output. Okay, and after that we can give our image and just key points. Okay, and after that we are gonna call a new function, which is also the raw key points, and in here this is the function of okay, I think here. So another part of this module which is in here. So this is just taking the key points and it's give you an easy way to draw the points. So for just visualizing, so for just checking. So we also need this function, and it's gonna get the image, also it's gonna get the key points, also the image we can draw again, and also the color we need to define as, let's say, yellow, which is our favorite color, and also we need to define the match flags. For example, there are kind of things in here. For example, we can maybe just call draw rich key points, and after that it's done. So we can call imshow and visualize how it looks like. Okay, image, and just calling weight key, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, I want to make it bigger, so let's call a named window, image, and a normal window I need. Okay, let's call it again. Yeah, you see now, except some of these, mostly this yellow is drawn around the blobs, of course, because we need to characterize by the defining the parameters as I mentioned at the beginning. But for this video we just gonna make a simple check. So let's try with the other image. In here also mostly detect, but some are still not recognized according to the default parameters are not matching with these non-detected blobs characters. Okay, yeah, for this video simply we just learned how to initialize SimpleDetector, what is blob, and how to use this SimpleBlobDetector, and key points we talked about, the tag function usage, and the draw key points. This is also a simple introduction to this feature detection and description module, and here we started with this one. In the next video we are going to talk about the parameters, and the other huge topics are waiting for us, shift, orb kind of things. Okay, I'm done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.